Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix account not in this store. So while you are trying to download the free apps and you are getting this error, account not in this store, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix this. So first of all, open your app store, then click on user icon in top right corner, then click on your Apple ID username, then just wait for a few seconds until the account setting is open. Now guys, simply click on country and region. Now guys, click on change country or region. Now guys, select the same country you have already selected. So I have selected United States, then I'm going to select on United States again, then simply click on agree. Now click on none. Now enter the billing address here. You can enter the fake one, it doesn't matter if you enter the fake address here. So I'm going to enter the fake address here, then you need to enter the city here. Then guys, select the state. Now enter the zip code. So you can enter the same if you are. Then enter the phone number. Then guys, simply click on next. Then click on done and your app store will redirect. Now guys, I'm going to search for the Snapchat app, the same app we were getting error. Now I'm going to try to download this app. So let's see if we get this error or not. So now as you can see guys, it's downloading the app without any error. So hope you guys like this video. If you do guys, leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching guys.